Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me on a quick card showcase. So this is the card that's on my blog today, and it's a terribly important day because I'm actually doing a blog hop with some of my team. So if you click open the description bar below this video, you will see a hyperlink that will take you to my project, and then within my blog post you will see everybody else who's taken part in the blog hop, but I wanted to show it to you in more detail. I went specifically for this phrase, you make a difference every day, because I'm working with my team for this project, and they do make a difference in my life every single day, and I felt it important to showcase that on there. And I went for this punch. This is the new Flowers and Leaves punch and the Flowers of Friendship stamp set, because they know me. I'm very much a punch girl, and this is just so typically me. And it's all elevated, you can see all the detail. But like I say, click over the description bar, hit the link there, it will take you straight to my blog post with this project, and then you'll see below that everybody else who's taken part. Bye.